Lily and the Talking Flowers. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind and curious girl named Lily. Lily loved spending time outside. She enjoyed walking through the fields, looking at the flowers, and listening to the birds sing. Every day after school, she would go to the meadow near her home to explore. One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to take a different path. She had heard stories from her grandmother about a secret garden hidden deep in the forest. The garden was said to have the most beautiful flowers in the world, and Lily was excited to find it. She packed a small bag with snacks, water, and a notebook to write down anything interesting she might find. Lily entered the forest and followed a narrow path between the trees. The sunlight barely touched the ground, but Lily didn't mind. She loved the quiet of the forest. As she walked, she noticed colorful birds flying high above her, and the sound of leaves rustling in the wind made the forest feel alive. After a while, Lily came to a small clearing. In the center of the clearing was a large stone gate covered with vines. The gate looked old, but Lily could see that it was still strong. She pushed the gate open and stepped inside. To her surprise, the garden was more beautiful than she had imagined. There were flowers everywhere. Some flowers were red, some were yellow, and others were purple and blue. The colors were so bright, they seemed to shine in the sunlight. Lily smiled and took a deep breath. The air smelled sweet, like honey and fresh rain. But what made this garden truly special was not just the flowers. As Lily walked deeper into the garden, she heard something strange. It sounded like whispers. At first, she thought it was the wind, but the whispers grew louder. To her surprise, the flowers were talking. "Hello, Lily," said a soft voice. Lily looked around and saw a beautiful pink flower swaying in the breeze. "We've been waiting for you." Lily was amazed. She had never heard flowers speak before. "You can talk?" she asked, her eyes wide with wonder. "Yes, we can," said the pink flower. "We've been waiting for a kind heart like yours to visit our garden." Lily smiled and knelt down to get a closer look. "Why are you waiting for me?" she asked. The pink flower answered, "We need your help. The magic of this garden is fading, and we need someone with a pure heart to restore it. Only a true friend of nature can help us." Lily was excited to help. She loved nature and all the beautiful things it had to offer. "What do I need to do?" she asked. The pink flower said, "You must visit the 3 ancient trees in the garden. Each tree holds a secret. If you can solve the puzzles of the trees, the magic of the garden will return." Lily agreed to the task and stood up. She looked around and saw 3 large trees standing tall at different corners of the garden. Each tree looked old, with thick trunks and wide branches. The first tree had a thick trunk covered in moss. Lily walked up to the tree, and as she got closer, she saw a small sign on the trunk. The sign read, "What has roots that nobody sees, is taller than trees, up, up it goes, and yet never grows?" Lily thought for a moment. She had seen riddles like this before in books. After a few seconds, she smiled and said, "A mountain." To her surprise, the tree's branches moved, and a golden light appeared. The tree had answered the riddle correctly, and a soft voice said, "Well done, Lily. You have solved the first puzzle." Lily felt proud but knew there were still 2 more puzzles to solve. She walked to the second tree. This tree was even taller and had shiny leaves that sparkled in the sunlight. The sign on the tree read, "I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I?" Lily thought carefully. She had heard this riddle before. "A candle," she said with a smile. The second tree's branches swayed, and the leaves shimmered with a soft glow. The voice from the tree said, "You have solved the second puzzle, Lily. 1 more to go." Lily was excited but also a little nervous. She walked to the last tree, which was the oldest and biggest of them all. The tree had deep cracks in its bark, but it still looked strong and wise. The sign on the tree read, "The more you take, the more you leave behind." What am I? This riddle was tricky, but Lily was determined to solve it. She thought about it for a few moments and then said, "Footsteps." When Lily spoke the answer, the tree's branches shook, and a bright light filled the garden. A soft voice said, "You have solved all 3 puzzles, Lily. You are truly a friend of nature." As soon as Lily finished the last puzzle, the entire garden seemed to come to life. The flowers bloomed brighter, the trees grew taller, and the air became filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. The magic of the garden had returned. The pink flower spoke again. "Thank you, Lily. You have saved our garden. The magic is restored, and we will always remember your kindness." Lily smiled and felt a warm feeling in her heart. She had made a difference. She had helped the garden, and in return, the garden had given her something special, new friends and the joy of helping others. Before Lily left the garden, the flowers and trees waved in the wind, and the birds sang a beautiful song. Lily promised to return one day, but for now, she had to go home. As Lily walked back through the forest and out of the stone gate, she felt happy. She knew that the garden would always be there, and she would always be welcome. And so, Lily learned the value of nature, friendship, and helping others. She knew that kindness and care could bring magic to the world.